people are holding you back, sis. They're holding you back. You have to let go. If you want to move forward, you have to leave them behind. You can't take them with you. The season that you're going into, they don't feature you. They're just gonna hold you back. Let them go. Let them go. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's obviously the following day, and nothing happened yesterday. I went home after work, and that was it. And so there was nothing to vlog. There was nothing to share, and that's just that on that. So it is Wednesday. Tomorrow we're working half day. Friday is a public holiday because it will be the inauguration of our new president. And yeah, that is pretty much it. We're not wearing the wig today because that thing is hot. It is honestly just, it's like, it's too hot for those shenanigans. So ain't no way. Ain't no blooming way. I'm not about that life. So yeah, let's see how the rest of the day goes. I look so tired. I look so tired. It's too blooming hot. It is way too hot for this. It's too hot. Me and Mutana, he wanted to take me. But at least I sorted that out. I'm happy. I'm on my way home now. I had an errand to run regarding medical aid, but I managed to get that sorted, so I'm very, very happy. Got a fanny pack. A fanny pack and a card holder and thingy for the phone. Adulting. Where do I sign out of adulting? I don't want this adulting thing. It's not necessary. I've been asked to cook. Well, I've volunteered to cook. I put some spices in such as chicken pieces. So yeah, fun fact, I don't really like cooking, but when I do, I like to do it when I want to. So yay, We're gonna have that probably with pap or rice. Now got it. Those are onions. I added onions, and yeah, now we're just gonna pop it in and cook it up.